So we have to film it here?
Might have to.
Dang it. I want to film on the other side.
Well, you can only do what you can do.
Oh, maybe we'll make it. I doubt it. They're probably going to go down now. Can we pull up on the road?
I had to pull up in a...
There we go.
Hold on.
No, Mom, I will pull up on the road.
I can't pull up on the road.
Up there.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
That's illegal.
No.
Right here. Right here. You're good right here. Go. Go.
Yep.
Go.
Plane. Yeah, M384. One. Here goes. New Haven, Michigan. By the flower shop. Cool, let's get the gates.